करेंगे बन के कली बन के सबा बागे वफा में रहे न रहे हम। महका करेंगे बन के कली बन के सबा बागे वफा में रहे न रहे हम। मौसम कोई हो इस चमन में रंग बन के रहेंगे इन फिजा में। चाहत की खुशबू यूं ही जुल्फों से उड़ेगी फिजाओं या बहारें यूं ही झूमते और खिलते रहेंगे बन के कली बन के सबा बागे वफा में रहे न रहे हम। महका करेंगे बन के कली बन के सबा बागे वफा में रहे न रहे हम।
श्री रवि किशोर सर, श्री अरविंद कुमार सर, लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल A.K. सिन्हा सर, श्री A.K. अम्बेडकर आई।
Since its inception in 1963, the school physically, mentally and academically for a career in the defense services.
मेरा JP बस में प्रवेश कर चुका और आज मैं केवल यह सेवा में 5 NCC विज्ञान स्टाफ, 45 अकादमिक स्टाफ, 26 प्रसाद यह पुरस्कार वर्तमान वरिष्ठ अध्यापक श्री मनोरंजन पाठक को दिया गया।
लेफ्टिनेंट राजेश कुमार, कैप्टन निर्भय कुमार सिंह ऑपरेशन भवन, कैप्टन संजय, मेजर रवि रंजन कुमार, जिसे न जाने कितने अमर सपूतों ने युद्ध भूमि में चौड़ी छाती के साथ अपनी वीर गाथा लिखी है।
Paramotor display. You can see carrying the flag with pride. In uniform, please salute the national school flag.
पहने वर्दी शान से हमें गर्व है भारत माँ पे चलते सीना तान के हम कैडेट सैनिक स्कूल के पहने वर्दी शान से हमें गर्व है भारत माँ पे चलते सीना तान के राग की मधुरिम बेला में बिगुल के बनते जग जाते हैं उत्तम दिनचर्या से मन तप कर पार जाते हैं राग की मधुरिम बेला में बिगुल के बजते जग जाते हैं उत्तम दिनचर्या से तन मन तप कर जाते हैं सच्चे पति देते ज्ञान महान में हमें गर्व है भारत माँ पे चलते सीना तान के हम कैडेट सैनिक स्कूल के पहने वर्दी शान से हमें गर्व है भारत माँ पे चलते सीना तान के प्राप्त कर आगे बढ़कर देश
Please take your seat.
दृढ़ प्रतिज्ञ होकर मटता से विश्व प्रतिष्ठा को पाएंगे ज्ञान प्राप्त कर आगे बढ़कर देश के हित में लग जाएंगे दृढ़ प्रतिज्ञ होकर मटता से विश्व प्रतिष्ठा को पाएंगे कल के हम ही है निर्माता हमको चल पहचान
This entire program is being live telecasted worldwide.
सीना तान के हम कैडेट सैनिक स्कूल के पहने वर्दी शान से हमें गर्व है भारत माँ पे चलते सीना तान के बचपन से वर्दी की महिमा रग रग में घर कर जाएगी
Ladies and gentlemen, please clear the carpet. Chief guest is arriving. Chief guest, Honorable Governor of Jharkhand, C.P. Radhakrishnan, sir will release a balloon as forward ever on the auspicious occasion of Diamond Jubilee celebration of Sainik School Tilaya. I request everyone to please rise up. As our motto says, forward ever. Thank you, sir. May I now request Group Captain Rahul Chaklani, Principal Sainik School Tilea, to felicitate our Chief Guest, Honorable Governor of Jharkhand, Sri C.P. Radhakrishnan, on behalf of entire Sainik School Tilea fraternity. Sir, please. I request media personnel to please give the space for Vice Commander.
Friends from the media, please settle down, find a place and please be seated.
Now, the chief guest will inspect the parade.
approaching towards the main dice. Now, chief guest is moving towards the main dice. Again. Our chief guest, Honorable Governor of Jharkhand, Shri C.P. Radhakrishnan sir, is approaching towards the main dice. Now, parade commander will seek the permission to start the parade.
It says Sainik School Tilaiya. The spy class has added a beautiful gesture. The aircrafts will now be approaching once again, displaying the national flag and Indian Army flag.
दिशा बदल के बोल बोल बोल
The march past has begun.
स्वभावच छात्रम कर्म स्वभावच दानवीर दुश्मन के लिए चट्टान होना।
hockey tournament as well as indoor quiz competition. Next week, Vaishali House is followed by Gautam House. Kenneth Subram is leaving his house. Next in the series is from Army Adventure Noodle Center Microlife Fair. First in the sequence is Moria House, led by Cat. They are the champions of inter-house drill competition and they secured second position in inter-house cross-country competition. Next in the row is Aryabhat House, led by Cadet Dave. They are the defending champion of inter-house athletics and the runner-up of inter-house drill competition.
Next in the series is Vaishali House following Aryabhat House led by Ket Raju. They are the winner of inter-house hockey tournament as well as inter-house quiz competition. Next in Vaishali House is followed by Gautam House. Cadet Subram is leading his house. They secured first.
Second position in inter-house quiz competition.
Next in the sequence is Rajvi House, led by Cat Prabhat. Rajvi House is overall champion of inter-house in the debate and declamation and second position in inter-house senior football competition.
Now next in the row is Nalanda House, led by Cadet Manish. They are the overall champion of inter-house football competition. Santol is coming with full josh, led by Cadet Om, Cadet Digvijay and Cadet Suman. Cadet Om has assigned as the best debater securing first position in all India Sainik School debate competition. Cadet Digvijay is the best athlete of our school and Cadet Suman is the best academician of our school.
Next in the series is Vikram House, led by Cat Kishore. They are the runner-up in inter-house hockey tournament as well as the runner-up in the inter-house in the debate and declamation.
Now next in the
The two aircrafts displaying the national flag and the Indian Army flag. We have an aircraft, microlight aircraft approaching. It says Sainik School Tilaiya.
कहाँ पर हैं? क्या कर रहे हैं?
You can see the Indian flag fluttering high.
Now Lisan Todi is leaving the ground. I request.
Now Lishan Toli is leaving the ground. I request everyone to please rise up.
Everyone to rise up, and all those who are in uniform to please salute.
Salute the school flag. Everyone to rise up, and all those who are in uniform to please salute the school flag.
Salute the school flag.
Please take your seat.
जब आँख खुले तो धरती हिंदुस्तान की हो, जब आँख बंद हो तो यादें हिंदुस्तान की हो। जब आँख खुले तो धरती हिंदुस्तान की हो, जब आँख बंद हो तो यादें हिंदुस्तान की हो। यदि हम मर भी जाएं तो कोई गम नहीं, लेकिन मरते वक्त मिट्टी हिंदुस्तान की हो।
Now, may I request Group Captain Rahul Saklani, Principal Sainik School Tilaya, to come on the stage for welcome address. Sir, please. Good morning, everybody. A very happy Diamond Jubilee to all. At the very outset, I would like to extend my deep gratitude to our chief guest, Sri C.P. Radhakrishnan, Honorable Governor of Jharkhand, for taking time out from his busy schedule to preside over this function as chief guest. I also express my heartfelt gratitude to all our esteemed guests, dignitaries, and officers from the state and district administration for gracing this occasion with their august presence. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to all former principals and officers of the school for gracing this occasion with their august presence. I am indebted to our dear alumni of the school, Mighty Alliance, who have travelled from various parts of the country and their families to celebrate this momentous occasion of their alma mater in this hallowed quarters. I am grateful to all ex-teachers of the institution for taking time out to join us in our happiness together. I also welcome our esteemed friends from the print and the electronic media who have always covered the activities and events of Sainik School Tilaya with magnanimous heart. Sainik School Tilaya is the largest Sainik school in the country and was founded on 16 September 1963. It was the 12th Sainik school in the chain of 33 Sainik schools that have been opened in various states of the country. The primary aim of the school is to groom the cadets for entry into the National Defence Academy. In the past 6 decades of our existence, more than 800 Tilayans have joined National Defence Academy and have served or are serving in the high ranks in the officer cadre of the armed forces, which is a huge contribution from this nursery for NDA. A good number of our alumni have brought laurels to the school through their achievements in the field of civil services, medicine, judiciary, engineering, banking, fashion, film industry, corporate, and education panorama in the country and abroad as well. Bonding between Tilayans has very few parallels. Our alumni have been supporting the school and their fellow Tilayans time and again on several occasions. Their contribution towards the development of the school has been noteworthy. It really warms my heart to share that any cadet from the school who goes outside the school post his schooling days never feels lonely. The Centurions open their heart and extend all help to the junior cadets
which shows a unique sense of brotherhood, unity and cooperation running deep in the blood of the Tilayans. I would like to thank Santova for always being compassionate and welcoming towards the cadets and the school whenever required. My heartfelt thanks to Sri Ravi Kishore, Sri Arvind and all members of Santova for being a constant source of support for the school. Our constant endeavor has been to provide the requisite ambience, guidance, exposure and educational infrastructure to our cadets that help in molding them into responsible citizens of the country who are equipped with all the necessary skills and physical and mental toughness to successfully adapt and prove their mettle in the highly competitive world outside. On this day, I also pay my tribute to all the former principals, staff and cadets of the school whose unfathomable and relentless hard work has taken this school to the zenith of glory and has etched the name of Sainik School Tilaiya in the annals of the esteemed institution of the country. I also salute the immortal Tilayans from the school who laid down their lives for the sake of our motherland. I also express my deep respect to our alumni and members of the staff who have left us for the heavenly abode. Today, we are living in a very challenging age wherein there are numerous lucrative avenues apart from the services. However, we strongly believe that serving the nation in uniform is one of the most noble ways to lead our lives, and hence, the school shall keep striving to send a maximum number of cadets into the defense sector. Once again, I would like to welcome all of you on the auspicious Diamond Jubilee celebration of Sainik School Tilaiya and reiterate that we shall keep moving forward on the way shown and illuminated by our predecessors while upholding the ethos and goals of the school with utmost dedication and sincerity. Okay? Let us make a pledge to keep moving forward continuously so as to pay true tribute to all those who have put in their sweat and blood over the years. Make this temple of learning as one of the most revered institutions in the country. Let us collectively take this school to further heights of glory and contribute maximum of our capabilities and capacity in our reign of duties so that we too may create a corner for ourselves in the illustrious history of Sainik School Tilaiya. I again express my warm greetings and best wishes to all of you from the core of my heart and hope that the aroma and memory of this revered campus continue to fill you with joy and bliss. Once again, a very happy Founders Day and Diamond Jubilee to all of you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now, we'll have a hand display by our cadets of class 9. Cadet, please.
पराक्रम से स्वमेव राजा विराज बनता है।
all-round development of the cadets, academic, extracurricular activity, and we have just witnessed the part of that, a wonderful band display by our cadets. Now, may I request Honorable Governor Sir to release first day cover issued by the Indian Postal Department for Sainik School Tilaiya.
Honorable Governor Sir is releasing the first day cover of the school on this auspicious occasion. The entire event is being covered live on YouTube and other
social media platforms. The first day cover on the Diamond Jubilee of the school. Thank you, sir.
2022 and 23.
Of what happens in this beautiful campus throughout the year is reflected in the school magazine every year. Post-COVID is the first hard copy that we are releasing on the Diamond Jubilee occasion of this school, the Tilaiyan 2022-23. Thank you, sir.
At this auspicious occasion to Sainik School Tilaiya. Now, may I request
Honorable Governor Sir to please grace the stage to felicitate our Veer Naris. May I request Major Vibha, wife of late Captain Sanjay Kumar Singh, to please come on the stage. Next, I request Major Meenakshi Kumari, wife of late Major Amit Kumar Chandan. Next,
wife of late Major Sanjit Chaudhary,
Mrs. Reena Sharma,
wife of late Esquadron Leader P.A. Sharma,
an emotional moment for all Tilayans. Pleasure or pain, we take it greatly. We don't reflect what is in our hearts.
Our Veer Naris, and will never forget the sacrifices made by Tilayans and the family.
now we'll have band display from Punjab Education.
Ramgarh. Media personals, please clear the front area.
Friends from the media, you are please requested to clear the front area.
Just after that display,
Paramotor team, please get ready. team of paramotor. Now we will witness a paramotor display.
जंग का एक ही उसूल है, वो है जीत. May I assure you that we shall accomplish the same at all cost. CDS Bipin Rawat.
We are going to witness a paramotor display by the Indian Army. Paramotor is the generic name for the harness and propulsion portion of a powered paraglider. It requires a lot of skill. The pilot controls thrust via a handheld throttle and steers using the wings brakes toggles. They'll be here anytime. The guests to the left side of the stage, if you have not got the seat, we have a lot of vacancies this side to the right of the stage. Please come to the side and clear the ground, please.
right, Jasdeep Phil,
carrying the tricolor fluttering in the flag of the Indian Army. You can see the paragliders.
I see the national flag held high.
Please give a round of applause
for Indian Army.
Good spectacles, Indian flag, right along.
Now, I request Honorable Governor of Jharkhand, Sri C.P. Radhakrishnan, to address the audience, sir, please.
Audience to please settle down.
I touch and salute the holy feet of Bharat Mata, the most powerful and the most merciful. Today, our Sainik School, Dilaya, is celebrating its Diamond Jubilee celebrations. On this day, on the dais, Lieutenant Colonel, Lieutenant General A.K. Chaudhary sir, Lieutenant General
Kyan Hussain sir, Sri Amit Yadav ji, our Kolkata member of Legislative Assembly, our Ghanshyam Prasad ji, Director Energy, and our Ambedkar ji, DGP Bihar, Commodore S. Jacob, Inspecting Officer, Sainik School Society, our Group Captain Rahul Saklai, and the Principal of our Sainik School, Mr. Ravi Kishore, President Sandoba, our Sunil Kumar ji, Director, Secondary Education Ranji, Srimati Megha Bharadwaj, our DC, Kodarma, our Anudeep Singh ji, SP Kodarma, and all the armed defense officers, teaching and non-teaching staff of our Sainik School, and my friends from print and electronic media. What a surprise to me is the alumni of the school. I never expected they will come in large number. They come in large number. In spite of their ages, they have come here. We all really salute to you, sir, because you have made this function a grand success. Like the banana tree, the alumni has come here. The banana tree is the only tree in the whole world. When the mother tree falls down, automatically another small tree will come up from that mother tree. Like that, alumni have come here. This is a great inspiration for all the youngsters. We really salute you. And my dear Bhai Begno, Sabko Johar.
I congratulate the entire Sainik School, Tilaya, on the Diamond Jubilee celebrations of our school. A school's legacy is defined by its impressive infrastructure and the countless lives it has shaped. That is more important. Nothing is flourishing unless it is properly shaped. Even you take the diamond, proper polishing only create the value for diamond, then only it will glitter like anything. So the school is doing a great job, and its glorious history and the institution's contribution to the nation building is significant. 60 years ago, the school was established with a vision to nurture our academic excellence and instill in its students the values of discipline. That is what is lacking, we can see everywhere in the world. Not only in our society, to take the entire world, so maybe only the exception, maybe the Japanese. I had an experience with the Japanese. When they are on duty, they will never deviate from themselves. That is the greatest character of the Japanese. Because of that, they have come up in the world. Like that, you have to create a self-discipline in the inner hearts of the BA students when they are young. That our Sainik School, Tilaya has lived up to its founding principles in every way. Sainik School Tilaya, the largest Sainik school in our country, that is the greatest achievement of the school. Really high prize, and I hope you all will be very proud of it. This is the single largest Sainik school in the whole of Bharat. And they have been playing a pivotal role in molding the students into responsible citizens and future leaders since its inception from 1963. I am very glad that Sainik School India has consistently produced leaders in various fields: military, academia, sports. There are very shining business individuals, but all of them are with self-discipline. All of them are with the burning patriotism. Like that, the doctors, engineers, everybody has come from the school. They are the outstanding in their particular field. The responsibility in its students, teaching them not just to excel individually, but also to contribute to the greater good of our nation. They are being trained how to work together. Individually, you have to think. You have to discuss everything transparently with others. Once a conclusion has been arrived, then that should be implemented in its real spirit. That is what is collective leadership. So, without individual efforts, no individual ability will come out. Without collective discussion, nobody can understand what is right and what is wrong. And we are together working. That is the great success story of any team. The teamwork has been very well developed. We have seen here the students, the cadets actually. The cadets have done very well. And I am very proud of it. This school has imparted to the students courage. Courage means what? Courage is not to beat others. Courage is one to protect others. That is what they learned. That is why I say the courage. If I beat somebody with my strength unnecessarily, I am not a courageous person, but I am a coward. If I protect the society with the courage inside, with the strength in me, that is what is real courage. That is being implanted in the minds of our young cadets. That is the greatness of our school. The Diamond Jubilee marks a significant milestone for the school and all the alumni and the teachers and the staff who have been a part of this institution. with its rich legacy. It's also a time to remember and honor those who have dedicated their lives to the noble cause of education and character building. No education is fruitful unless the basic character has been built. Character, courage are having different meaning. What we are thinking, that is not the courage. Courage is not to control others. Courage is one to help others. I am aware that the large number of cadets of the school have served or are serving in the as officers in the armed forces of our country. And a great many of its students have left indelible imprints in the other walks of life, be in civil service, engineering, medical, entrepreneurship, filmmaking and social service, etc. Once when you are in, you learn the discipline. Till your death, that discipline never disappears from your heart. That is the great success of our science schools. And my dear students, special focus is given to the discipline in every part of their life. The values you imbibe in here and the knowledge you acquire will shape your future. You can overcome any challenge and conquer any adversity. You are the luckiest one. That's what I want to say to all the cadets of the school. You are one of the most luckiest one. There is only one single school in our entire state. You are a part of it. You are a part of a great legacy. You are a part of a great history. You are part of a great institution. I want to tell all the staff and the teachers of the Sainik School, Tilaya, that your dedication has shaped generations of young minds. Your hard work and the commitment do not go unnoticed, and your contribution to the nation building in the process is invaluable. As we look ahead, let us envision a future where the ideals of Sainik School Tilaya continue to shine brightly. A future where its alumni contribute to make a significant contributions to the society, armed not only with academic knowledge but also with the strength of character that sets them apart. Once again, I extend my heartiest congratulations to the entire administration and the cadets of Sainik School Tilaya on completing their Diamond Jubilee. May this institution continue to inspire. This will continue to inspire every Indian and transform the lives for generations to come. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Jharkhand.
Thank you, sir. Your words have really inspired us.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is a matter of great pride for Sainik School Tilaya and the entire state of Jharkhand that our senior master Shri Manoranjan Pathak has received the prestigious National Award to Teachers on September 5, 2023 from the Honorable President of India. May I request Honorable Governor Sir to felicitate the National Awardee and the pride of Sainik School Tilaya, Shri Manoranjan Pathak. A snapshot.
Thank you, sir. May I now request
Group Captain Rahul Saklani, Principal Sainik School Tilaya, to present the school memento to our Honorable Chief Guest. Principal Sir, presenting
the school memento to our Honorable Chief Guest, sir. Thank you, sir.
May I now request everyone to please stand up for the national anthem.
Our Central Minister Annapurnaji has expressed her inability because of very occupied duties elsewhere. She couldn't come for this function. That has been informed to me through our principal of our science school. I inform to you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
It was an honor to have the Honorable Governor of Jharkhand, Sri C.P. Radhakrishnan, sir,
Chief guest of this momentous occasion. We thank you, sir, for your taking out the time from your busy schedule to visit Sainik School, Tilea. I request everyone to stand as the chief guest is departing from this venue.